Something going on here. Got the police, the ambulance. Somebody must have wiped out or got a ding-dingy-ding-dingerson. Oh, maybe it's I don't know. Something's going on. Hope everybody's alright. Right here by Eurotel. Some gutter system never keeps up here. So it piles across the street and goes all the way down by Candy. Goes down Narciso here and just makes a shitting mess. I don't want to put my feet in it because I don't. You might end up with 17 toes or none. Junior and his women. Edward chilling with his women. Yeah. Jollibee man, everyone. Jollibee man. Cucumber looks really good.
Yeah, it's good.
That no good, you guys.
Why?
What is this?
Santol.
Ano ba yung...
It's a fruit.
Dragon.
No, santol.
Jackfruit?
Yeah,
Jackfruit?
Not jackfruit. Santol.
Santol?
Santol.
What the hell is Santol?
Santol is
Sour.
like
Oh, that's one right here?
Yeah.
This
Oh.
one have chicken.
Santol.
Cucumbers. Mango?
jackfruit nani.
Yeah.
Jackfruit is the sweet one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I've had jackfruit. Jackfruit's good.
Jackfruit ng langka.
And then what you got? Salt, pepper?
Yeah.
Vinegar?
Yeah.
Oh, who's that for? The girl?
Yeah.
Oh, a good girl. That's good stuff. Yeah. Oh wait. I gotta go with Dominic. I gotta go. I don't want the buco. I want a coconut. Thank you though. Next time I go with you.
Okay.
All right, Dominic. What do you? Yeah, cut one open for me. Cut me the best one.
Yeah, man.
You ever get cut? Hopefully you don't get injured. Look at this man.
Gungot.
Oh my gosh. And then you have buco,
Yeah.
which is the innards, the scraped coconut. Ooh, it's cold too. Very nice.
Straw.
Uh-oh. How much did I owe you?
77.
70?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Dude, this is like a 17-pound coconut. All right, Dominic, thank you. 70 pesos, everyone. 70 pesos. Uh-oh, I hear somebody. Michael! How are you?
Shout out to coconut. Where's my...
Oh, so good.
I like that.
I know.
I like that.
I got a different one. This one on my head's old.
Same like me like that.
I know. Why, you want this one?
Yeah.
All right, take it. Okay.
I know. I have like this before.
Yeah, I know.
It's
It was
broken already.
faded. It was faded out and
This
stuff.
one, I become handsome.
Yeah,
This one, no good.
that's a good one for girls. They'll be chasing you now.
No. I'm not lady boy.
You're not. No. All right, brother. See
Thank
you.
you, ah.
Yeah, no problem. This thing should be pretty damn high levels right now with the amount of rain we had. Boy, we had some heavy ass rain there for a good while. Oh my God, look at it. All right, we're gonna go up to that first bridge. Oh my God. Holy shit. It is high. It is raging. There you go. Look at the rager. Look at the pile of shit over there. I hate saying it like this, but it's an opportunity for some of these families to throw their garbage out. They toss their garbage in the river when it's raging like this, and then they don't have to deal with it ever. And it just ends up downstream somewhere. I have no clue where, but this is how it works here sometimes. If it rains, bring out your garbage. Bring out your trash. Look at that. Fireworks, I hope. This should be fun. Log jam. Serious log jam. Not bad. Moving. We're moving, moving. .6:30 almost. I can feel the pollution irritating my throat. With the rain's keeping it a little bit lower. I don't like that. When that happens, sometimes that'll affect me for a day or so. So I hope it doesn't do that this time. We will find out. Here we go. Slide in. Slide it in right to the top. Slide it in. You're never gonna stop. Slide it in. Slide it in. That Suede. That Suede. If I'm not mistaken, one of the bands from the 80s. Traffic ain't gonna stop. go. I gotta go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go ahead, go ahead. Okay, thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. You see how that works? It is nuts here. You gotta go. You sit too long, you get people pissed off. You tie up shit, so just keep it moving, everyone. Keep it moving. It may look terrible, it may look like it doesn't work, but it works fine. Don't hate the system, just fit in or don't drive. That's all I can recommend, is fit in or don't drive. Really like how this place turned out, this gastro pub. Looks so damn good. Man, I like that. Alright, we're gonna go park at our Miko's temporary parking here. Good enough. What's going on, kiddo? Hi, kitty. I don't have soap. I know. I ran out. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you. I was going to tell you that. I forgot. Kitty. Hi, you're okay. Oh, you're so small. You're so small. Okay, thank you. Wow. That's so cute. So cute. Let's run downtown. Let's go check out the pavers now that it's been raining a little bit. What are you doing? What's up, Mac? How's Mac? Where have you been lately? You're still kicking? Yes! Good to see you, buddy. How are you? Are you good? Yes, so good to see you. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. You've been out running wild with the ladies, with the men, with whatever? Yes, oh good. Alright, you be good, okay? Everybody will be happy to see you. Alright, we are on the far end. We're down here by MacArthur. You can already tell. Sand-wise, it doesn't look too bad right now. If the sand was washing out underneath, we'd have some highs and low spots. We'd have where the tires were sinking in. Even though there's not much sand underneath, it doesn't look bad. Look at Marshall here, chowing. What we got? Oh my God. I don't know. Hello, Marshall. I thought you were stuck here. You're okay? Hey, how you doing? Dominic. Yeah, Dominic. Coconut man. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. I just came down to see the street before it rains. What the hell is that?
Yum.
Okay.
They fried it, and the girls order.
How about this orange thing?
That's egg, quack quack.
Quack quack?
Yeah, they call it quack quack. That's bird egg. You know, the foil egg.
Yeah. Okay.
And they put some
Dumpling or shomai?
Yeah, siomai.
Okay.
It's like dumpling.
Yeah, those I've had. How about this white one here?
Fish balls.
Oh, a little hot dog.
Yeah.
And then
squid ball.
squid ball.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The girls order and then they fried it.
Okay. Oh, so he fries it right here?
Yeah, they.
And then he's got all the
sauce.
sauces and everything. Got a lot of sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You're good?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Just upstairs here at the Dragons bars. Wanted to see about the yellow or blue or white. Nobody here. Not open right yet. So nothing to report on that. I'll eventually hopefully get in because I hear it's sports bar. up on the left side now. Venus, I believe, works up there. Venus from our pool league. So we will get in and check that out eventually. I think we're about a third of the way in. Still looks all right, a little washed out. Nothing's missing yet though. Nothing's deep enough that it's grabbing cigarette butts. But it still looks okay. They're really changing the outside of Elite. Looks really good. Looks like he's doing some LED lighting or something to hold the lights. Yeah, and Acadia bar here. Check out Acadia bar here. It's getting a new sign. Here, nothing. Nothing's happening. Gone. This is like not a good spot to invest or to try and open something. It just has never really worked. It's unfortunate. Jim, you were just asking about this Club XS. It was closed down, locked up. Now I'm not sure why, but it's open. They open again tonight at 5. So it's nothing wrong with the place. It's up and running yet. New awning, new graffiti on the doors. I've showed you this before. Great place. I like the renovations. Showtimes at Club Atlantis. I don't know, I'm a little confused. 7, 9, 11, 1, 7, 15, 9, 15, 11, 15, 1, 15, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there you go. There's the showtimes, everyone. There's our little update. Walking Street, Red Street. I sure hope they change the sign soon because I'm getting tired of calling it Red Street like everybody else. Call my name. I like the laundry's right there, that close. It's very convenient. Very convenient. Okay, here we go. Yes, sir. We're home. Do 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 do. Bananas. Hats. So tired. All right, I gotta go take a nap. Thank you. Good to see you.